on behalf of TechEquity AI, my name is Mahan and the co-founder Sheena. We are honored to welcome you to join us in this evening at SVAI Hub, amazing SVAI Hub, for another forum tonight. So I would love to thank our sponsor, Snowflake, SVAI Hub, also the Sidekick team, and Craig Network Philanthropy is another sponsor that we have for tonight. And we, on behalf of our sponsors and TechEquity AI and the Snowflake team, we welcome all of you to join us for tonight. We have a special guest tonight, Elsa from Snowflake. She's a director of community. She is joining us. Without further ado, I'm going to share the stage with her. She has a few words with you talking about Snowflake and the respective program.
So yes, my name is Elsa, and yes, I work at Snowflake. You can laugh about that. It's kind of funny. No? All right, that's fine. Quick raise of hands. How many of you have been to the AI Hub before? All right. This is why we love the TechEquity community. You guys always come back. So if this is your first time coming to the AI Hub, welcome. We're super excited to have you here. We launched this space just under a year ago in, I guess about August last year. So about a year ago. And since then we've had over 100 events, over 10,000 people have come through the space. And really our mission here is to establish a home here in the peninsula for the AI community as we all kind of navigate this new world that we're living in. So we have between 3 and 5 community events every single week. TechEquity is one of the fantastic community partners that we work with. And if you want to get involved, if you want to host your own event, if you want to attend any future events, I thought I had a slide, but maybe I don't. You can look up SVAI Hub on the internet. We've got a monthly newsletter. We've got a Luma calendar you can join. And then I'm Elsa Mayer on LinkedIn. If you ever have any questions or want to get in touch, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm very, very responsive there. So I think that is it from me. If you want to chat or if you have any questions, I will be here all night. And with that, I'll hand things over to Sheena.
Thank you, everyone, again for coming. I'll do a quick intro. If you don't know us already, we're TechEquity AI. We are a nonprofit organization. Our goal is to democratize AI to bring the knowledge and applications to everyone. We're here to build a global collaborative ecosystem, bringing corporate startups, investors, academia, and community in the room. So we do have a very good mix of audience sitting here. For the past 2.5 years, we have 3 AI Summit in the Silicon Valley starting in 2024. We had a one-day summit at a Synopsys, which was one of our sponsors. We also had a one-day summit at the Computer History Museum. Then last year, we had a 2-day summit at the Plug and Play Tech Center where we had over 2,000 people. And this year, we kicked off our monthly AI forum at the beautiful Snowflake's SVAI Hub. And we are also adding more workshops to our schedule this year. So this is our event calendar. You can scan the QR code and that lists out of all our upcoming events. And I'm going to have more QR codes coming, so get your phone ready. And a quick announcement. This November 3rd to 6th, we'll be hosting a 4-day summit at the same location as SVAI Hub. The event is free to attend if you want to pick one of the tracks and day. And you should be able to scan the QR code and register for the event. And if you want to come for multiple days, we also roll out our membership this year. So as part of the membership for the AI Insider, you'll be able to get access to all the events. And at the same time, for the both AI member and AI Insider membership, we rolled out Sidekick platform and the TechEquity AI channel. So you've seen the table out there. We have Worley and Mia to help support. So TechEquity AI channel is where all our past recordings are hosted. So you can watch all the recording. If you miss a session, you can ask questions and AI can help you to get you to the right moment. And without further ado, I'm going to give the floor to Michael Leiden, our MC for today.